Sinariwan ni Lea Salonga at Monique Wilson ang kanilang karanasan sa pagtatanghal at pag-audition para sa musical na Miss Saigon. May tips pa nga si Monique para sa Pinay singers na susubok makasali sa revival nitong musical. Ang Star Bites, hatid ni Nelson Canlas.
Parang nagdingning ang mga mata ng veteran stage actress na si Monique Wilson nang aming pag-usapan ng musical na Miss Saigon. Ito raw kasi ang nagbukas ng maraming oportunidad sa kanya.
Miss Saigon and Cameron Mackintosh just opened so many doors for me. Talagang, I was also very blessed when I was 19.
23 taon na ang nakakalipas nang gumanap siya bilang Kim nang magbukas ang musical sa London. Ngayong buwan, nakatakda ang Philippine auditions para sa revival nito sa West End next year. Ang orihinal na lead nito na si Lea Salonga, bukod sa excited, naaalala pa ang kanyang pag-audition mahigit 2 dekada nang nakakaraan.
I think I came from school and headed straight to the CCP and sang my song. I remember being really, really nervous, completely intimidated and mortified. If I move forward, then that's great. And if I don't, well then, it's not like I don't have a really wonderful life already. And I really enjoyed the audition process.
Ayon kay Monique, marami-rami na raw ang kanyang natutunan bilang aktres mula noon. Nagkaroon na siya ng pagkakataong magturo sa isang acting school sa London. Na-expose na raw siya sa maraming issues sa kahirapan, gera at women's rights. Malayong-malayo na raw siya sa aktres na gumanap na Kim na kahalinhina ni Lea Salonga noong 1989. Ayon naman ni Monique sa mga Pinay na mag-audition.
I say, you just have to be yourselves and you don't have to put on any more than, because Filipinos kasi we're really talented and we really have emotional availability. So we don't have to make that more OA pa. Just stick to that lang because that's our basic truth eh. That's our basic truth. And of course we have musical talent. So we don't have to, parang overdo that. And when I tell talaga people who are auditioning, you have to really understand the story.
Nelson Canlas, GMA News.